Mine and mine too. Maybe when you look my way. Tama? May mga hila ko. Oh. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yes, it's sad. Someone else. Ganito rin yan. Yung bilahan, tapalikod. Ganyan, ganyan. Nagiging hotdog ito. And live my life in a dream world for the rest of my days. Just you and me walking hand in hand in a wishful memory. Oh, I guess that's all that it would ever be. I wish I had a time machine I could make myself go back until the day I was born. And live my life again. Rearrange it so that I'll be yours from now on. Oh, it says we belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yes, it says we belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Thank you.
Cellphone ko.
Sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Tama na.
Sayang na pa.
Tama na.
Sayang mo pa sila.
I was crying.
I was crying.
It was an interview. What is your name? Next question.
How old are you?